Hi, welcome. My name is Catherine. I'm a recent UCLA graduate, but more importantly, I'm a tech lover who specializes in all things drones and photography. This is a course on DJI drones. If your drone looks like this, then you're in the right place. Drones have become so popular recently, and that's great. But unfortunately, most people crash their drones within the first 2 weeks, and I do not want that for you. So, in this course, I'm going to teach you how to fly safely, responsibly, and legally. I'm also going to show you the A through Z's of your drone, from turning your drone on, to updating firmware, to registering your drone, to go over the app, and I'm also going to have live demonstrations of me flying so I can teach you how to fly and how to take off and how to do all the fun stuff. Afterwards, I'm going to show you how you can edit your photos so they look great. I'm going to go over some accessories that I find helpful, and I will even show you how you can profit off your videos and photos. So stick around to the end. There's some great stuff coming for you. And with that said, enjoy the course, fly responsibly, have fun, and I can't wait to see you out there.